Okay, so today we will start the next numerical, that is solving 01 knapsack problem with the help of backtracking. So we will see when the number of atoms are given, then its related weights and profits are given, how to draw the state space tree to represent the solution. Okay, so let's consider the atoms that have been provided to you are displayed on the screen. There are four atoms. First atom's weight is 2 and its related profit is 10. Second atom's weight is 4 and its profit is 10. Third atom's weight is 6 and its profit is 12. Then fourth atom's weight is 9 and its profit is 18. And the knapsack capacity that has been provided is 15. So you have to display a state space tree to represent the uh, optimal solution that includes or that will represent the maximum valued solution with this capacity that is going to fit. Okay, so let's see how to draw the state space tree for this. So here we will always start with the root first. So initially the first the root will represent that no elements have been selected so far. So if no atoms have been selected so far, we are considering the profit that is achieved, that is 0, and weight that is achieved is 0. Okay, so at this level, that zeroth level is the root level. So here I'm having p is equals to 0 and w is equals to 0. Okay, then the next level represents by considering first atom in the inclusion. So by considering first atom in inclusion, will also consist the two parts. That means first atom is included. So if the first atom is included, then we are considering the left branch. Then the case the first we are dealing with the first atom, but first atom is not included. So we are dealing with the right portion, that is a right branch of the root child. Okay, of the root node. So yes represents we are considering that atom to include, and no branch represents we are not including that particular atom. Okay, so root level represents no elements have been considered. Then elements or the internal nodes that are present at first level, so that will represent we are dealing with first element. Then the next level, that is second level will deal with by considering first atom and second atom. Then third level will consider first atom, second atom, and third atom. Then last level, that is the fourth level, that will consider first atom, second atom, third atom, and fourth atom. So likewise we are dealing with levels. Okay, so root node is clear, how the p is 0 and w is 0. Okay, so now we will create two branches. So one branch will be for we are including the first element, that will be your left branch. Then right branch is we are not including the first element. Okay, so if we are including the first element, then what will be the weight and what will be the profit. Okay, then in every time whenever we are exploring a particular node and whenever we are creating a particular node, you have to check with what is the current capacity of knapsack that is remaining. Okay, so at root node, as we have not considered any element, so profit is 0 and current weight of knapsack is also 0 and capacity that is remained is full, that is 15. Okay, I hope you have can you please note down these numbers so that the state space tree calculations will work through for you. Just note down these elements and its weights and profits and the capacity. So in between for the calculation, it will be easy for you to understand. So note down it shortly. I expect everyone is noting this down. Okay, can we proceed further? Okay, I hope सबने note किया है. So now if we are considering the first element has to be included, so its weight and its profit is weight is 2 and its profit is 10, and remaining capacity that we have is the left capacities we have is 15. Okay, so now check what is the current weight of the atom, that is 2, and what is the remaining capacity of knapsack, that is 15. So this 2 is less than 15, right? So we can include the first atom. So we have created internal node for representing the first element and its associated profit. So now I will update the weight over here. So W is equals to previous weight at root node plus current atom's weight. So that is 2. So 2 plus 0 I have is 2. So at this node at level 1 on the left side, I get W is equals to 2 and profit is equals to previous profit in previous level, that was 0, plus current atoms profit, so that is 10. So 10 plus 0 I have is 10. So at this node, at this internal node, I have W is equals to 2 and P is equals to 10. Okay, so yes portion or the yes branch of this root node is clear. Now consider come to this portion, that is right portion. So here, though we are dealing with level 1, but we are dealing with right child of a root node. That means we are not including the first atom. So if we are not including the first atom, so weight, its associated weight is also not added into the current weight, and its associated profit is also not added into the current profit. Okay, so W will remain as it is, that was for your root node. So W is equals to 0 and P is equals to also 0. Okay, then uh, come to the second level, that is increase your level. That means now consider next element also into picture. So here next level represents, now you are considering two elements, the combination of first two elements. Okay, so here if you try to explore this W is equals to 2 and P is equals to 10 wala node. So here also again you have to deal with two branches, left branch and right branch. So left branch represents you are trying to include the second atom, and right branch says you are not including the second atom. Okay, so if you are trying to include second atom, then try to explore this node. So can you create a node over here? So check with current capacity of knapsack and current weight. So current weight will be now like previous weight कितना था, 2 हुआ था first element include होने के बाद. So now if you are including, if you are trying to include the second element, so its weight is, I am having 4. So 4 plus 2 I get 6. Check it with the remaining capacity of knapsack. कैपेसिटी कितना बचता है नैपसैक का यहाँ पे एट दिस नोड. माउस पोजिशंस दिख रहे हैं मेरे. Okay, we are dealing with this element, right, this internal node. So what is the remaining capacity of knapsack at this point? Can anyone tell me? अभी तक हमने सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट इंक्लूड किया है एंड उसका वेट था 2. So after including this element, my remaining capacity will be 15 minus 2. Okay, so that is I am having as 13. Okay, so at this point my current remaining capacity is 13, and after adding the second element, my weight becomes W is equals to 6, right? So 6 is less than 13, so second element can be included in the knapsack. So we will create this node. Okay, so W is equals to 6 I have, and its profit is also will get updated. So P is equals to previous profit 10 plus current atoms profit is also I am having as 10. So 10 plus 10 I will be having total profit as 20 at this point. So this node represents we have included first element as well as second element. Okay, fine. Okay, then come to this node. So over here, we are dealing with second level. That means we are considering first two elements in combination, and we are dealing with no portion of this internal node, right? So that means second element is not actually included. So the weight of the knapsack will remain as it is, as it was for the first level and for after inclusion of the first element. Okay, so if the second element is not included, so weight will remain as it is. So W is equals to 2 and profit is also equals to same, that is 10. Okay, then come to this portion at this internal node. So how we are going to create this internal node? So we have to create two branches for this internal child when I'm having W is equals to 0 and P is equals to 0. Okay, we are dealing with second level, so combination of first two elements. So as here at this internal node we have not included first element. Okay, we have not included first element, so we have weight is equals to 0 and P is equals to 0. Then at this portion we are considering second element to consider. So my weight will become 4 and profit will become 10, because second element's weight is 4 and its profit is 10, and the current capacity is I am left with 15. So 4 is less than 15, so we can create this internal node and we can assign the weights and profits to that. Okay, then at this portion, this represents we are not considering the second element, so we will have weight is equals to 0 and profit is equals to 0. That will come as it is for the previous node. Okay, so this level is clear to you, how you have created the nodes for level 2? Someone please respond so that I can proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Now consider the third level. So in third level, we are dealing with combination of first three elements. Okay. So up till now, at this node, I have the remaining capacity of knapsack is, uh, it was the current weight is 16. Current weight that we have achieved so far by including the first atom and second atom is 6. So remaining capacity of knapsack is how much? Yes, tell me. What is the remaining capacity of knapsack at this point? Yes, tell me. At this node, when I have included first atom and second atom, then what is the remaining capacity of knapsack? Total capacity कितना था? 15. So after including first element's weight and second element's weight, how much is remaining? 15 minus 6, right? ठीक है? So 15 minus 6 कितना है? Yes, guys, please respond. Okay, so consider the third element. थर्ड एलिमेंट का वेट कितना है? इट्स 6. ओके, सो remaining capacity of knapsack is 15 minus 6. So can third element be included in current weight of knapsack? Yes, it can be included, right? It fits into the knapsack. So update weight of knapsack. So W is equals to previous weight 6 plus current atom's weight, that is 6. 6 plus 6 I will have 12. So W is equals to 12 and profit is equals to previous profit 20 plus current elements profit is 12. So 20 plus 12. So I will have 32. Okay, so at this point I'm having W is equals to 12 and P is equals to 32. So this represents first element is considered, second element is considered, and third element is considered. Okay, come at this point. So at this point, this branch represents we are including first element, we are including second element, but we are not including third element. So the weight of knapsack will be as it is as per the previous parent node. So that is W is equals to 6 and P is equals to 20. Okay. Then try to explore this node. So if I want to explore this node and if I want to create its left child, so I will have to consider the third element that is to be included. So before including it, check it with the current capacity of knapsack. So current capacity of knapsack is 15 minus 2, because at this point I am having W is equals to 2. So 15 minus 2, it's 13. And what is the weight that I will get after including the third element? That is 6 plus 2. So it's 8. So 8 is less than your current remaining capacity. So the third element can be included. So W is equals to 8 I will have, and P is equals to previous profit 10 plus current elements profit 12. So I will have P is equals to 32 at this internal node. Then create the no create the right portion for W is equals to 2 and P is equals to 10 at third level, and this represents we are considering first element. So this branch represents we are considering the first element, then this represents we are not considering the second element, and we are not including the third element. So the weight will be 2 and P is equals to 10. That is as it is as per this internal node. Okay, so जहां जहां पे नो पोर्शन आता है, तो उसका जो पेरेंट नोड है उसके वैल्यूज एज इट इज आएंगे. ओके, ओनली अपडेट कहाँ पे होगा? ऑन लेफ्ट चाइल्ड. ठीक है. So come at this point now, how we are getting these values. So this node represents we are not considering the first element, we are considering the second element, and we are considering the third element. So what is the current capacity of knapsack is? I am having 15 minus 4, right? So current weight कितना हो जाएगा अगर मैं थर्ड एलिमेंट कंसिडर करती हूँ तो? सो थर्ड एलिमेंट का वेट है, इट्स 6, एंड करंट वेट क्या अचीव हुआ है? दैट इज 4. सो 6 प्लस 4, दैट इज 14. Whether it is less than your current remaining capacity of knapsack? Yes, it is less than, so I can consider third atom to be included into the knapsack. So my weight will become 10, that is 6 plus 4, and profit will become this previous profit 10 plus current elements profit 12. So I will have W is equals to 10 and P is equals to 32 at this portion. Then similarly the same calculations will occur for our right child for W is equals to 4 and P is equals to 10. Okay. So and as we are not considering the third atom actually being included, so the weight will remain as it is and profit will also remain as it is. So W is equals to 4 and P is equals to 10. Then similarly the same things we are following for creation of these left child and right child. Okay, so here I will get at this portion, this represents we are not considering the first element, that means we have not included first element, then we have not included second element, but we have decided to include a third element. Okay, so W is equals to 6 and P is equals to 12 we will have. Then at this point And every time before actually including the element, you have to check it with the remaining capacity of knapsack. Okay. Then for this portion, how the calculations of W and P are there, as we are dealing with right child of the parent node. So the W and P will remain as it is. Okay. So the calculation of third levels, all children are over. Okay. Then come at fourth level. So at fourth level, we are dealing with first four elements. So element 1, element 2, element 3 and element 4. So try to explore the all children that you have created in third level. So can you explore this this W is equals to 12 and P is equals to 32 wala node? So can you create left child and can you create right child for this? So check it with W. What is the current W, that is 12, and what is the current capacity we have is, so current capacity is 15 minus 12, right? Right. So now if I try to decide, if I try to include fourth element to be included, so if fourth element's weight has to be included in current weight, so current weight is 12, so 12 plus fourth atom's weight is 9, right? So 12 plus 9 कितना होता है 21, right? And whether 21 is less than your remaining capacity of knapsack? No, it is not. So fourth atom cannot be included, so we will simply kill the left child for this node. Okay. So uh, we are not going to explore the left child for this node, so we are simply discarding it. Okay. Got this? Someone please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now consider it this portion, like right portion. Right child of W is equals to 12 and P is equals to 13. So as we are not including the fourth element, so W will remain as it is and P will remain as it is. So W is equals to 12 and P is equals to 32. Now try to explore W is equals to 6 and P is equals to 20. ये वाला node. And for if you are dealing with left child, so that means you are trying to include the fourth element. So check what is the weight that you will get after including the fourth element, that I'm having the weight as, fourth का weight था 9. So 9 plus 6 I'm getting as 15, right? ठीक है. So this element is getting fitted into the knapsack, so I'm updating the weight, that is W is equals to 15 and P is equals to 38. Okay, just tell me how you are going to decide whether the whether element can be included and the weight can be updated depending on the remaining capacity of knapsack, right? So current element जो under process है उसका weight you can check it with the remaining capacity of knapsack. Okay. So here I am updating W is equals to 15 and P is equals to 38. So similarly, uh, can you create right child for this node? So right child represents we are not including that particular element. Okay. So at this level, if we are not including the fourth element, so the weight will remain as it is and P will also remain as it is. So what is the representation or what is the meaning of this node at this point? So you can see the branching, right? ये जो branching का flow है, like first element is yes, second element is yes, third element is no, and fourth element is no. So this represents this W is equals to 6 and P is equals to 20. This branching, how you are reaching over here. So this represents we have included first element and second element only. So this is how we are going to read. Then similarly, The remaining nodes at this level, if you try to explore w is equals to 8 and p is equals to 32. So left child. So what is the current weight? That is current weight of knapsack is 8 and remaining capacity that I am having is 15 minus 8. Right? So check remaining capacity में fourth element fit होता है क्या? No, it doesn't fit because current element ka weight is greater than the remaining capacity of knapsack. So kill this node. So we are not creating this node. Okay. So now try to explore w is equals to 8 and p is equals to 32 for right child. So right child means we are not considering the fourth element. So weight will remain as it is and p will also remain as it is. So I'm having w is equals to 8 and p is equals to 32. Try to explore this internal node, that is w is equals to 2 and p is equals to 10. So if you try to create left child for this, check the current capacity of knapsack, that is 15 minus 2 is the current capacity, and what is the current weight of the fourth element, that is 9. So fourth element fits into the knapsack, hence I will update w. So w is equals to this weight 2 plus current weight, current elements weight is 9. Okay, so I will get w is equals to 11 and p is equals to 10. वेट यहाँ पे p अपडेट होगा. दिस इज 10 प्लस करंट एलिमेंट का प्रॉफिट है 18. दिस वैल्यू जस्ट टेक अ नोट. हाँ, ये जो है इट्स डिफरेंट. दिस इज 10 प्लस 18. ठीक है. Okay, now at this portion how we are getting the values, that simply means you are not considering the fourth element. So इसका जो parent node है उसके values as it is. So w is equals to 2 and p is equals to 10. Then try to explore this node, that is w is equals to 10 and p is equals to 32. So check the current capacity of knapsack, that is 15 minus 10, and what is the current weight of the element, that is 9. So fourth element doesn't fit, hence kill this node. Okay. Then try to explore it for a right child. So right child represents we are not considering the fourth element. So weight will remain as it is and profit also will remain the same. So similarly, we are creating the subsequent nodes. So can you just cross check the remaining values for these nodes? I'll give you 5 minutes time so that you can check for the further calculations. So try to explore w is equals to 4, p is equals to 10, ये वाला node. Okay. Then w is equals to 6 and p is equals to 12 and w is equals to 0 and p is equals to 0. I'll give you 5 minutes for further calculations. You have to proceed like same in similar manner to get the solutions. Is it okay? Your calculations are matching with these calculations? Are you getting the similar values? Yes, someone please respond. किसी के हो गए कैलकुलेशंस?
Yes, ma'am. We are getting the same values.
Now, once you have created all the nodes and you have reached to the leaf nodes. Okay, so all these leaf node represents your feasible solutions. So among these all feasible solutions, you have to find which leaf node is representing the highest value of profit, because all the weights are within your capacity of knapsack. So check for which node or which leaf node is having the highest profit value. So here I am having p is equals to 32, here I am having p is equals to 38. So this node is having quite higher value. So check if you are having any other leaf node with greater than with a value greater than 38. So there is no any node. So only this node, this leaf node is having the maximum value for the elements that are included in the knapsack. Okay, so this represents the optimal solution because this node maximizes your profit. So at this node, what are the elements that are considered? You can check the branching. So first element is included. This represents the first yes, like from root to first node at level 1. So first element is included. Then first level to second level, second element is included. Then second level to third level, third node is not in, third element is not included. And from third level to fourth level, fourth element is included. So that means your solution vector is 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, so this is how you can denote the solution for 01 knapsack problem with backtracking state space tree representation. Okay, so here what you have to note is you are going to kill the nodes which are not feasible. Not feasible means by including a particular element, if your current knapsack capacity is exceeding, then you are simply killing the node. So that is the meaning of killing a node. So this is how you can draw the state space tree to represent the knapsack problem solution. So this was a simple knapsack problem without including a bound function. So here आपने एक भी नोड के ऊपर बाउंड का कैलकुलेशन नहीं किया था. So this was a simple state space tree representation without doing the bound calculations for knapsack problem. In next lecture we will see how to put a bound on a particular node, so that at this particular instance only you can check whether you can just check whether exploring this particular node will give you the maximum valued solution or not, instead of creating all these number of nodes, right? So this is quite this becomes quite complex one. How many internal nodes are minimum created? That is 2 raised to n if you are having n number of elements. Okay, so just to keep a bound on the bound on a profit value, so depending on that particular bound you can decide whether a particular internal node has to be explored or has to be created or not. So that bound calculation we will see in the next lecture. So depending on that, your state space tree representation will also change. Okay, so in today's lecture we have seen a simple state space tree generation for a knapsack problem, that is 01 knapsack problem. I hope everyone has given attendance. We will stop now.